What if a sewing company actually took its inspiration from enthusiast sewers? Create any idea imaginable with the greatest of ease. Achieve expert-level results regardless of experience or fabrics chosen. Experience the pure joy of sewing, unlike ever before. Introducing the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic Sewing and Embroidery Machine, thoughtfully created for you. The first and only machine with the tablet-like screen. The unique JoyOS Advisor feature now boasts 120 animated and illustrated step-by-step instructions built into the machine. Sewers of all skill levels can fulfill their creative ambitions. A new automatic needle threader, 30% larger bobbins, exclusive sensor system and deluxe stitch system. Make sewing and embroidery easy and fun. With Wi-Fi and MySewNet cloud storage, it's the only sewing machine that lets you create, store, and access designs from anywhere, anytime. With the MySew Monitor app, you'll receive instant updates on your embroidery. With 12.2 inches from needle to arm and 5.5 inches from base to arm, it's the largest, brightest, yet lightest top-of-the-line machine for sewing, quilting, and embroidery. With the best viewing angles and the largest turnable and non-turnable hoops, whatever you can imagine, you will have the space to create it. And because we're sewers, just like you, we focused on even the smallest details. With Designer Epic, achieve your own personal style. Create something that really stands out. Enjoy your hobby from anywhere. Bring vibrant life to an old space. Fulfill your creative ambitions, whatever they may be, and share the joy of sewing with the most cherished of all. The Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic Sewing and Embroidery Machine, made for sewers, by sewers.